So here is where I want to plant the broccoli, where I have okra growing. This okra has gotten very, very tall. I think it's gotten up to 12 feet tall. Get blinded by the sun here. I'm still getting some good okra from this little patch of it. This variety is called Star of David, because when you cut it, it has like a star shape. Because I'm still getting some okra, I'm a little hesitant to chop it all down. So I guess what I'll do is make one final harvest. Overall, I've gotten probably 1 to 2 pounds of okra from this little patch about the last 2.5 months. So I've gotten over 100 pounds of okra total from this little patch this season. I think I get maybe a pound of okra every other day or so at most. So here's a different variety, just the classic spineless something or other okra variety. Here's a little one over here. That wasn't me sneezing. That was my copper. Hey copper, you're sneezing? Nope, can't come in. This one's probably too big. That's the Star of David kind. I also have a squash vine that has escaped and gone through my okra. Alright, so let's see what this massive okra harvest is today. That's it. That's all the okra harvested. This is maybe 1/4 of a pound of okra. And 1 or 2 pieces might be a little too hard to eat. So I think the benefits of chopping it down and getting it out of the way probably are greater. Let me see how my handy dandy scythe works. I got some over here. Let me start with these little guys over here as a test. One down. Try that again. Got it that time. Okay. Here, let's try these ones. If I was a master, I'd get all 3 of these at once. Okay, here we go. Almost. Okay, got that one out. Good. Just gotta get in the rhythm of it. It's not too bad. Popping them down. Size it up and pop them down. Pretty well. Timber. Okay, definitely hit the squash over here. And the last one goes right by the pumpkin squash vine. Clippers. Okay, I think that's the last of the okra stalk. So I'm not going to let all those okra stalks go to waste. I'm going to shred them, but not with the typical shredder chipper that you might expect.